Meaning of ferny.
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 Ferny. Ferny is an adjective that describes something as resembling or related to ferns. This can refer to the physical appearance of an object, such as a plant or surface, or to the aesthetic qualities it evokes. The term can also be used more broadly to describe a feeling or atmosphere associated with ferns, which might include a sense of tranquility, growth, or connection to nature. Overall, the use of ferny suggests an appreciation for the natural world and a desire to evoke its beauty and vitality in various contexts.